In this part, we are going to talk about the Node.js modules. And first, we are going to add a files, and we call this as users.js. And since we want to get some dummy data, so we go to the request response.in and we copy a few data. We copy the first two objects, and then we back to the project and create a new constant users. And then we go to the app.js and we delete all the previous part. And then we try to import from the users.js. So we create a constant and we name it as imported stuff is equal to require users. And then we console.log the import the stuff. Now we go to type node and then app. Now we can see there's an empty object. Import users.js and app.js doesn't automatically give us access to this file. We need to set the module that export is equal to users. So at the end of the users.js, we need to type module.export is equal to users. So we go to the terminal and type node app again. Now this time we can get the users from the users.js. So if we want to export multiple things, for example, we back to the users.js and create another constant, numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3. And this time we are not just export the users, instead we also export the numbers. So if we clear the terminal and then we run the program again, now you can see inside this object we have users and also the numbers. So for example, if we just want to get the numbers, we can type imported stuff.nums. And then we type node app again. We can get the array of numbers. A better way to import multiple different things from the files is to use destructuring. At here, we can use destructure by just typing the users and also nums. So we do not need to type imported stuff. We can just type nums. And then we run the program again. Now we can get the array of numbers.